pronounce?
Echinacea.
I don't know about that. It's all flowery words. It's great. It's a fantastic deal. It's a savings of 89%. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk through quite a few items I got from BoxyCharm subscriptions, products I got during the add-ons and pop-up sales, because those I get to choose and I can talk through the reasoning why I got them and whether I've tried it before or I'm intrigued. And for the subscription boxes, I'm going through my November base box and December luxe box. For all the products I'm going to mention today, I paid $175, an MSRP value of $1,557. It's a savings of 89%. If you haven't tried out BoxyCharm before, I highly recommend it if you're able to and if you are curious. This is just an avenue I can try out high-end and really luxury brands and sometimes indie brands. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today, it's just gonna be chill. I'm wrapping all my favorite Studio Ghibli's Totoro. Really adorable sweater I got from my husband a few years ago, and Disney headband. It's really cute. I got it from Box Lunch. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe if you like more videos on beauty like this one, and hang out with me. I would love to have you join my friends. Let's go. I actually created this look using a lot of the BoxyCharm products. That will be part 2 of this BoxyCharm haul. So stay tuned for that one. First product I have here is this Frank Body Glow Mask, and MSRP is $21.95 and I got it for $6 from Boxy add-on in December. I tried it in one of the subscription boxes in the past and I actually like it. One feels very smooth and it smells really pretty, like comforting way, and it's really moisturizing. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and I got it for $9 for 2, so $4.50 a piece. Really good, and MSRP is $32. Ulta website, they say Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture, agree, that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day, also agree. It hydrates really well on my skin, so usually I use it after I put my sunscreen on, and I would use this as a primer, so it also feels very moisturizing, prime my face, and just like makes my skin glow like those K-beauty glow. You don't have to put foundation on and you'll just be glowing the whole day. Put foundation on top, it will make your face glow even through the foundation, peek through the day. Only con that make sure you don't put it over your eyes, because if you did, it will kind of break down your eyeshadow even through the primer very quickly. The next thing I got is actually from November pop-up sale. So they have pop-up and add-on. The difference, pop-up, you have like a lot more selection. I'm not 100% about the discounts, if they are so much deeper or anything like that, but there's sometimes it could be a little better pricing, but you have to pay shipping unless you reach $25 or $35. Get free shipping. But add-on, as the name suggests, you add it onto your subscription box kind of thing. It doesn't necessarily show up with your subscription box, but you don't have to pay shipping. So if you're just getting something for $3, it's free shipping. I usually like the add-ons because I don't have to like purchase a certain amount, and I can just go and like click, buy for something that's interesting today, and then another thing that's interesting another day, because they bring in new products like sometimes daily. It's a little education about these different sales on top of BoxyCharm subscriptions. Pop-up November, what I got first thing is this very exciting palette. Eyeshadows are my biggest weakness when it comes to makeup, and this one is Viseart. Like, I have a $80 Vizia palette in my hand, and I didn't have to pay $80 for it. I actually only paid $9. It's amazing. This is the Neutral Matte Milieu 14 12 pan eyeshadow palette. It's all mattes. And on Sephora's website, these 12 matte shades ideal for accenting, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. I don't know about that. It's all flowery words. Ingredient callouts: it's free of sulfates, SLS and SLES, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. Also cruelty-free and gluten-free. So I really appreciate that. To create this look, I actually used this palette, and I love it. So I can show you the close-up here. And so these are the colors. They're a little bit warmer tones. When I used it for the first time today, it is so pigmented. It's just a nice, like they said, luxurious experience to use it. And when you first take the color out of the pan, you have to tap off the excess. But once you put it on your eyes, nothing is falling off. So the colors I used, nothing was falling off. So I really appreciate this. Highly recommend it if you can pick up in a future BoxyCharm sale, or you just find it as a good deal from authentic, sites that you can buy. So love that one. Next thing I got in November pop-up sale is this book, 100 Reasons to Panic About Modern Life. So this one retails for $10 and I got it for about $4. Like a paper version of your funniest friend, this pocket-sized volume provides an honest look at the newfangled stresses of life in the digital age. It's just a lot of funny words, while also offering common sense reassurance that everything's going to work out fine. Probably, maybe, definitely. I know how small it will be, so it's pretty small, like they say, pocketbook, and it's pretty funny inside and really pretty illustrations. You just browse through it, it's pretty funny. I love this book. The next item I got is this Luxie Iconic Eye Set. $4. MSRP is $45. I'm not sure how many people may be paying the full price. Come in this Ziploc bag. Already used these today for the first time to create this look. These are the 5 brushes, and so you have this one is a large shader brush like this one, and then a small taper blending, small shader, a flat definer, and a pencil brush. So this will set you up for a very good starter brush set. I liked using it. So features premium soft synthetic bristles encased in a rose gold ferrule atop a chic pink handle. We're getting the brush set for just $4. It's great. It's a fantastic deal. Next product I have, Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream. Peptide 3 comes in a tube like this, and it's kind of like the old-timey toothpaste where you have to, it's like metal, right? You have to like poke it with this pointy end to open it. I've never tried this brand before. About my vertigo journey. Like and subscribe if you want to hear that and hang out with me in the next video. I got 2 of these in a sale that they were combining 2 of these for $9, so $4.50 each, but MSRP is $125. I don't know if it's gonna make me younger overnight. Grown Alchemist is usually carried at websites like Macy's and the higher end retailers. Let's see the special claims and how it's gonna make me younger overnight. This advanced detox night cream is formulated with echinacea, complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, essential omega fatty acids that detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, transforming facial skin texture to appear radiant and more youthful looking. Recommended for application in the evening when the body is focused on optimal repair. Learning something new. A lot of the BoxyCharm products, even the ones that I bought because I'm intrigued, like this one, unless my current line of products are running out or something like that, I won't open something just for the sake of trying it out or like feeling the texture, because I don't want to start the expiration countdown. And the expiration, you can usually find them on their bottles. So if you look here, very tiny, you see a little bottle, like a jar here, and that one says 12 months. So once you open it, this will expire in 12 months. The next product I have is this one, Khine MD No Makeup Easy Rinse Makeup Removing Cleanser. I bought this one. It's a huge bottle, 6 ounce, for $9, and MSRP is $35. You can get it on Ulta, I think on Sephora as well. Khine MD No Makeup Easy Rinse Makeup Removing Cleanser is a gentle gel that forms a rich lather to thoroughly cleanse without stripping natural oils. Acts as an ideal first step in your no makeup regimen to help prep skin for a perfect no makeup look. It's focusing a lot on the no makeup part. They also call it makeup removing, so that's where they got me, because I do a 2-step double cleanse where I would take it off with makeup remover, and then I would go in with a 2-step cleanser of like oil and then gel like this. So yeah, I like this one. It smells really pretty, just like a neutral, soothing kind of smell. Next thing I have is Levito Patchouli, Vanilla, and Shea Butter Nurturing Hand Cream. And this one I got for $3, which is really good price. Like any hand cream will go about that price. MSRP is $14. This one you can find it at Macy's. It says, don't forget to nourish the delicate skin on your hands, an area prone to environmental damage. This hand cream with sweet earthy scent of patchouli and vanilla is rich in organic shea butter and plant-based hyaluronic acid to help soothe, soften, and protect hands from environmental damage, dryness, and chafing. Yeah, I haven't tried it out yet, again, because we have a lot of hand creams going through the winter right now, and I want to keep this in my reserves for when we need another one. This next one is Milk Makeup Melatonin Lip Mask that I got for $4. MSRP is $22. And on Sephora's website, overnight lip mask that replenishes, hydrates, smooth, and calms, so you will wake up to smoother, softer, plumper looking lips. I actually tried this out for the first time to create this look under the lips. Instead of using lip balm, I tried using this. The verdict is still out for me on this one because it feels very sticky and moisturizing, but also has this scent that wouldn't go away. Usually if I have lip balm on, I can still drink tea and it still would keep my lips moisturized, but this one, it felt like all the moisture is gone after I drank a cup of tea. This next product, IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel that I got for $6 for this big bottle, like 5 fluid ounce. MSRP is $29. On Ulta's website, lightweight, non-crunchy gel with touchable hold and shine with coconut oil and aloe vera extract. This product can be used on towel dried hair or right after blow drying for a controlled, tousled look. I actually tried it a few times now. I like the smell. It doesn't have like a strong coconutty smell. Like if they don't tell you it's coconut oil, you wouldn't quite know. I'm very sensitive to smells. If it's too strong or too sweet or too anything and they stay on my body, like I get a headache. I like this one. Next product I have is Kopari Sun Days Mineral Face Sunscreen SPF 30. And I paid $9 for it and MSRP is $34. Sephora's website, there are 33 reviews, so not many, and it's got less than 3 stars, so it's not well loved at all. Water resistant for 40 minutes, and I used it for the first time to create this look under the Glassy Balm as the sunscreen. I have to say, it came out like, you know, separated oil and sunscreen, first of all, and then the smell is not pleasant. It smells sour or something like. And I know that the Kopari brand very clean products, so they probably don't use fragrances either. I'm torn. I would not recommend this one honestly, even for just $9. Sunscreen is always a great idea, and you should use it rain or shine or snow or cloudy, because the UVA and UVB rays still reach us, like whether we can feel the sun or not. And protects against skin cancer. Make sure you use the sunscreen every single day. The next product I have is this one from Touch in Seoul, Metallic Liquid Glitter Topper, Shine Purple Look. So I got these 3 for $9. MSRP is $25. So in terms of discount, it's not a huge discount. So that's also something that you're gonna see, that not everything is 80 or 90% off, depending on the demand and probably the price that they paid to get these products to us. Some will be more than others, and you'll have to be the judge if it is worth it to you or not. I actually used these for the look I'm wearing, so it's all the matte colors from the Viseart palette, and then I just put the glitter in the inner corners and on top, and I think it's very pretty. On Ulta website, I think Touch in Seoul is a K-beauty brand for easy gradient or daily natural eye makeup with beautiful dewy finish. Formulated with water-based ingredients, the liquid texture glides smoothly onto lids without flaking, and the weightless glitter veil is fixed onto lids immediately after application to prevent smudging and fading. The claims are all right on. The next one I got is In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. Got it only for $3 and MSRP is $22. And the claims on their own website: Gatorade for your skin, an energizing face mist, clarifying toner, and makeup setting spray in one. For me, I only use it as a makeup setting spray, and after I use it, it really leaves a really nice glow and makes the makeup last longer. The last one I got in the November pop-up is this KVD Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Sanctuary, and I got it for just $3. MSRP is $21. The Sephora website, there are 15,000 reviews, so this is like one of the OG liquid lipsticks that came out from when liquid lipsticks are a thing, and 1.3 million loves. So yes. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe if you like more videos on beauty like this one, and hang out with me. I would love to have you join my friends.